Yo, hope you guys are doing good. I wanted to create a video to share how you can recreate winning content for your ads, right? So this is one of my primary strategies that I want to share with you guys. Super easy to do. What you're going to want to do is shoot some B-roll, and then you're going to want to go over to PiPi ads. You're going to want to go to the TikTok ad search, and you're going to want to input these settings here. So I'm going to go ahead and re-input them for you so you can see how to do it. You want to go to e-commerce. You want to select the country and region of your choice that you want to target, or target and search. I like to go US, Canada, and United Kingdom. And then I like to go over here to the period. Now let me explain what this period time frame does. What this allows you to do is to tell PiPi ads, hey, I want to see ads that first started running at least 30 days ago. And you can change this, and then you want to say, I want to now narrow those down to ads that have been running in the last 12 hours. What this allows you to do is get fresh content that is still running, and now you can sort that by ad impressions. Now check this out. This will now show you the content that has had the most ad spend on TikTok. Check it out, 142 million ad impressions. This Dr. Shaw spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on this piece of content. What does that mean? That means it works. So the strategy now is going to revolve around identifying content inside of your niche that you can recreate and utilizing the same music, the same text styles, and then putting your B-roll and your product in placement of that. Again, this is a strategy I utilize quite often. It has worked very, very well for me. And I wanted to share that with you guys.